This right here is the URX AJAZZ AK820 Max Plus, and honestly it's one of the best budget mechanical keyboards I've used. It's got a gasket mount and flex cut PCB, which means a soft flexible typing feel that sounds and feels premium right out of the box. The flying fist switches are linear, smooth, and yes, hot swappable. You get double shot PBT keycaps with clean bottom legends that are transparent. And if this isn't your style, it comes in various colorways. You get south facing per key RGB that's fully customizable with lots of patterns and animations. Connect 3 devices at the same time with Bluetooth, fast 1000Hz, 2.4 GHz, and wired modes with a dedicated Mac or Windows switch. And not to forget, a tactile metal volume knob that feels amazing to use. But the best part, this has an 8000 mAh battery. That's insane for this price, literally double than its competitors. So if you're looking for a feature packed mechanical keyboard under 6000 rupees, this might be the one. Let me know your thoughts in the comments, comment link and I'll DM you the link. But make sure to follow me, otherwise you'll miss the videos.